Hello all, in this tutorial video we will show you how to do casting of OTT apps like Amazon Prime, Hotstar, Jio Cinema, etc. for basically all the OTT apps except Netflix, because Netflix has a separate process. So the first step for doing casting is that in the customer phone you have to connect the customer phone with the same Wi-Fi as the projector Wi-Fi. So as you can see, I have connected my phone to the Binge 5G. So this is the same Wi-Fi which is connected to the projector. Next, you have to open the OTT app in the customer phone. Let's say the customer wants to watch in Prime. So I will open the Prime Video app in my phone. Then we have to play the video or the movie that the customer wants to play. So let's say they want to watch Follow Karo Yaar movie. Right, so they need to play it. Once they have played it, they need to pause it. They need to click on this. If you see, this is a Chromecast icon is there. So we need to click on this Chromecast icon and then they need to select the correct projector name. So right now we are in Executive Theatre of Rajaji Nagar. So that is why we can see the code MIET. We have to be very careful in choosing the right projector here. Otherwise, it will be disturbing for the other customer. So for example, if I select the wrong projector here, then it will start casting in the wrong theater. So right now we are in the Executive Theatre, which is ET. So I will select MIET as the projector for which I need to connect the Amazon Prime. So once I click on this, it will take a couple of seconds. You can see, and now in the screen, the movie that I selected will start streaming. So you will see this connection icon. It will take 5 to 10 seconds for the connection to take place. So once the connection is done, you can see that it will now start playing, and now the customer can control play, pause, forward, backward, everything from their phone itself, or they can do it from the remote also. So in the phone it will be visible like this. Now the best part is when we are doing casting, the customer can also do other things in their phone and it will not disturb the screen. As you can see in the screen, the video is still playing. The volume of the movie and the pause play, everything can be controlled from the phone itself. So if I want to pause, I can pause it from my phone. If I want to play, I can play it from my phone. Similarly, if I want to increase or decrease the volume, I can do it from my phone itself. So this is how we do it for Amazon Prime. Similarly, let's say a customer wants to do it for Hotstar. The process is same. First, we need to connect the phone with the same Wi-Fi as the projector Wi-Fi. We have already shown you that the Binge 5G is connected to my phone. Now I need to open the OTT app. Let's say now we want to do for Hotstar. So I will open Hotstar app. Now you can see here also this Chromecast icon is there. We have played the movie. Now we need to click on this. Again, we need to select the correct theater name here, because all the three theaters in Rajaji Nagar are connected to the same Wi-Fi as the phone Wi-Fi. We are seeing the three options here. We are in the Executive Theatre, which is ET. So MIET we need to select. Once we select this, it will take a couple of seconds, and in the screen you can see that the Hotstar movie that we wanted to play, it will come. So as we can see, now the Hotstar is opening. In a few seconds the movie will start, and similar to how we can do it in the Amazon Prime, we can control the pause, play and volume in the Hotstar from the mobile itself. Similar to the Hotstar and Amazon Prime, we can also do for Jio Cinema, which is a popular OTT app right now. So if we open the Jio Cinema app, again the first condition is that the Wi-Fi in the phone should be connected to the same Wi-Fi as the projector. Now here, let's say we want to play Big Boss Marathi. Okay, so we can click on watch now. So once we have played it, now again casting option is there on the top. As you can see here, we need to click on the casting option, and here we can see MIET and CTMI option and MIFT option, because there are three theaters in Rajaji Nagar connected to the same Wi-Fi. So MIET is the Wi-Fi with which we need to connect, because we are in the Executive Theatre ET. So once we click on that, the casting will start in the screen, and in a couple of seconds we can see the content that we were playing in Jio Cinema app that will appear in the screen. So as you can see, it has started playing. Now we can control the pause, play and volume from the phone itself. Similarly, for other OTT apps like AHA, Voot, Jio Cinema, the same process has to be followed for connecting the OTT account with the projector screen. For Netflix, the process is slightly different. We do not cast in Netflix. Instead, we need to log in the customer account itself in the Netflix app in the projector. So for that, first we need to open the Netflix app in projector. Then this screen will appear in which we will be able to see sign in and get started option. We need to go to the sign in option. Okay, it will be highlighted in red color. In sign in option, we can see there are two options, use phone and use remote. So we need to always select the use phone option only on the top. So here we need to scan from the customer phone, we need to scan the QR code that is appearing here, and then in the QR code we need to put the code that is appearing, the 8-digit code that is appearing. So I will show you how to do that. So I will take the customer phone. Now the customer phone Wi-Fi can be different than the theater Wi-Fi. Same Wi-Fi connection is not required because here we are not doing casting. We are only doing logging in, right? So from the customer data only we can do it. So we need to go to the QR code scanning option. We need to open the URL that is coming out from the QR code. And as you can see, directly, because in my phone Netflix logging is already there, I can see the code and I can click on the sign in to TV option, and it will connect my account to the projector account. Now my Netflix account has been connected to the projector and I can watch whatever I want. Sometimes it will not directly take and it will come in the Chrome browser. So in that we need to put the customer email ID password, and then we need to put the 8-digit code. So once the customer has finished their booking, we need to mandatorily log out their Netflix account from our projector because they have logged in. So we have to avoid misuse of their Netflix account by any other customer, or to protect their privacy we need to log out. So I will show you how to do the logout. Within Netflix you can go to any profile, and if let's say the profile is password locked, then you can select the children profile. Once you select it, you will see this option. Here you need to go to get help. In get help you will see the sign out option in the very end. So when you click on sign out, it will ask for confirmation of yes or no. You click on yes and the account will get signed out. Sometimes in customer phone Netflix app might not be there, and hence there will be some extra steps to follow when we are trying to do the sign in. Okay, and sometimes the QR code also might not be scanning in their phone. Some phone do not have the QR code scanner. In that we need to type the Netflix URL that is showing in the screen. So as you can see, the QR code that is there, that takes us to the netflix.com/tv2, so that we can type in our phone netflix.com/tv2. So this is a very short URL, right? So we can type this and we can go to the website, and here we can put the code that is appearing. So for example, in the screen it is appearing 04990356. So this I will put in my phone. So I can click on continue, and that's it. My account is now logged in the projector. Sometimes if in the Chrome browser also the account is not logged in, then the Chrome browser will ask for email ID password from the customer. So they have to put the email ID password first, and then they can put the 8-digit code. So there are two processes. First process, we can use the QR code scanner, and if the Netflix app is already there in the phone, then it will directly log in. If QR code scanner is not there, or Netflix app is not there, or whatever, then we can directly put the URL, that is netflix.com/tv2, in the Chrome browser or Safari browser of the customer phone, and then we can do the Netflix login by putting in the 8-digit code. So this is how we do the OTT setup for our customers in our projector. To give you a quick revision, for Amazon, Hotstar, Jio Cinema, AHA, G Cinema, whatever, right? All these OTT apps we can do direct casting. For that we need to first connect the customer phone with the same Wi-Fi as the projector. We need to open the OTT app. We need to play the movie, and then we need to do the casting by selecting the right projector name or right theater name. Okay, for Netflix we need to do the direct login, for which we can use QR code scanner, or we can directly type the URL in the browser and put in the 8-digit code. So I hope it is clear for everyone on how to do casting for the OTT apps.